Uh-oh. Yeah, we're at Disney World. Woo! Jesus! Jesus Christ!
Remember, Indiana Jones never loses his hat. That's right. All right, ready to move on?
Let's do it.
All right, let's set up for the next scene, and then they'll get us to Cairo. You got it. All right, you heard the boss. We're moving on, so let's strike this temple set, please. I need Cairo in 5 minutes. Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular. What do you think so far?
Woo!
Very exciting. Speaking of exciting,
Thank you for the likes, guys.
Oh, yes, that thing is unbelievably heavy. It takes plenty of our strongest technicians just to roll it back into place. 18 of them are inside the ball. All right, it's not a revolver, it's made of rubber. However, that weighs over 400, pounds, so it could do a lot of damage. Well, welcome everybody. My name is Mindy. I am the assistant director here on the second unit. And a second unit shoots most of the stunt and action sequences.
Thank you. Big up all of the 240 people.
They are going to show you just how stunt work on the second unit is created. Hey, boss. Yes. They have our own Indy? Yes. We do have a lot more to shoot. 2 minutes, Mindell. You got it. I want to introduce all of you to one of our Harrison
Big up yourself, King.
This is Mitchell.
Woo! Tasha. Hi.
Great crowd. I love it. They're into it. I mean, all the stuff you go through just in this first scene alone is incredible. I know it's very dangerous.
Indiana Jones.
Can you tell us, how do you pull something like that off? How do you do that?
Yeah. I make it up as I go. Thank
He
you.
did fall through the hole, right?
Sure. Okay, I believe that, but be honest, you still have to be a little scared up here, yeah?
Big up all of my 426 people. Thank you.
If I didn't trust this stunt team watching my back, I never would have tried any of it. Here, it's all about teamwork.
Teamwork, I love that. And
Woo!
speaking of teamwork, let's say hello and meet the rest of our epic stunt team. Keep that car.
Yes, it's great.
Alex, Taylor, Lainey, Nicola, Kyle, Jake, Big Steve, and welcome to the set of stunt double for Karen Allen. Play the role of Mary Ravenwood, one of the best in the business.
Wow.
This is Kelly.
Woo!
Yes, indeed. We are very proud of our team we've assembled here. They're an amazing group of stunt professionals, and they're the real stars who will bring our version of Cairo to life for you today. I can't wait for you to see them in action. Please give it up one more time for the epic stunt team. All right, now every person you see on set is a skilled professional trained in their craft to embody the role they play in this dynamic scene we're about to shoot. From heroes to villains, these actors step into the story the moment the cameras are rolling. And guess what? That is going to be happening any minute now. We're going to need lots of crowd reaction for this next part. So please help me welcome to the set our casting director. She's fantastic.
Alright guys, one let us see another show.
Thank you.
So stick around, alright?
Thank you. Hi, everybody. Hello.
Hi.
If you like action adventure, you've come to the right place. As Mindy said, my name is Michelle. I'm the casting director for the shoot today, and part of my job is casting of background talent. Now, background plays a very important part of our production.
Yes, I'm gonna try that one when I'm done.
Bring the scenes to life. And today, I will be capturing all of you as my background voices. Just so you know, we have a lot of action out there, and I need some big, free action from all of you. And when you see Indy and Marion going through all their dangerous stunts, I need you to clap, I need you to scream, I need you to cheer. I really need you to break this house down. Can you do it?
Yeah! Guys, can you do it?
All right, well, let's get started capturing those background noises now. Blake with audio, are you ready in the booth? Yes, we are. Okay, perfect. When I say the word action, I need you all to scream as loud as you can, as if you fell into a pit of angry, venomous snakes.
Thank you,
Ready?
Alex. Thank you for the
Action!
suggestion. Yeah!
Wow, nicely done. I like that.
Yes,
That was really good.
Natasha.
Okay, let's keep this energy going. Now I need to know how many people have seen some Indiana Jones films. Please raise your hands.
Woo!
Wonderful, yes. Almost everybody here, of course.
Right.
Now, when you know there's a lot of lighthearted moments. So this time, when I say the word action, I need you to give me a big, goofy belly laugh. Ready? Action!
Woo! Oh God.
I'm hearing
I am
all kinds
weak.
of cackles and all kinds of laughter. I love it. Really good. I
Guys,
like
we're
that.
not focused.
Blake, did we get everything
Listen.
we need? We did. Wonderful. Mindy, they're hired and they're amazing.
You did a great
Thank you
job.
for the
with them.
likes.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, Michelle. All right. You all sound terrific. One other person I need to introduce you to. Hey, boss. Yeah, yes. Do you have a moment?
Yes, you're right there. Get your marks, be
Thank
safe.
you.
All right, let's get this in one, especially you.
She
I
is
love
the
it.
stunt coordinator and director of the second unit. Now please put your hands together for my boss. This is Trude. Hello,
Woo!
everyone.
Hi!
Yeah, welcome to my company.
Thank you for liking the one.
Amazing smiles. I love this energy. We do have
That's
a
our
lot of
limit.
exciting stunts to show you here today. And you know what I love of working on an Indiana Jones film is that most of the stunts are shot live, so it's
Yes.
thrilling and dangerous. I think you'll all agree that it does look great on camera. And speaking of camera, yeah, let's go over those camera shots.
All right,
Yeah.
so we talked about it earlier. We're working with two cameras, A and B, both shooting wide. Camera A coming in on the crane. Danny's got that. We're going to boom it up. Shoot that at 36 frames per second instead of 24. Give you a slow motion option for the tail and high fall.
Indiana Jones
Over there,
live-
we'll be working on
live
number three.
scenes.
I know you had some thoughts on the kidnapping.
Yeah, let's go ahead and tighten that up, make it a three-quarter shot.
Got it.
Yeah, sounds good. I like it. Oh, and I like the sound of that, Mitchell.
Aw,
What do you think
Alex,
about
not
the
enough
changes you
time.
made to the whip routine?
I love it. I got it, boss.
We're just here
All
for
right, let's
today.
put 'em in. All right, who's driving my truck? Steve?
Yes.
Hey, top of the seat. I need you to drive that
All right,
truck
guys.
out. Make sure
Truck
you
are
get
rolling,
okay?
I know.
Excellent. All right, you two, let's review. Kelly, Mitchell, top of the scene. You enter from behind the clothes rack into the marketplace, casual shopping, and then we're going to get serious, okay? We're good? Yeah, we're good. Yeah, all right, love it. Very exciting. All right, hit your marks. Be safe. Middle, lock it down.
Places, guys, all right.
All right, Kelly, Mitchell, good to go. Stunt team ready.
Be alive, be alive.
Are you ready?
Woo!
Cameras are ready.
Cameras are ready. Wide and set.
Quiet.
Roll cameras.
Rolling. Speed.
Count 61 for Apple. I roll Delta. Take one more.
Playback. Background.
Action!
Get out of here!
Jeez! Ay!
You call this a date?
Come on, Marion! Run! I don't know. Keep climbing.
Wow!
Marion, hang on. Oh, that worked. They just don't quit. Grab that pole.
Now what?
Push.
What?
Pull.
Jesus!
Now where you going? This way.
Oh!
Go down.
No! Now we're trapped.
I got it.
He's back.
Uh-oh.
Now I got it. Hey, figure out a way out. Here I go.
Uh-uh. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, they're gonna jump. They're gonna jump, guys! Woo! Jeez! Woo!
Let's go.
Jesus Christ! This is Hollywood Studios, Disney World. Live show. Shit! Miss Mama! What? Oh my god! Wow! Woo! Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? Wow!
Now, as you can see, working with explosives can be dangerous.
That was nice, right, Philip?
Risk involved. Every explosion and fire effect that you see out here on our set is carefully controlled by my team of professionals.
Somebody call 911.
The right where the movements are all around our set, so please join me in giving them recognition.
Wow! That sure does, E.
Yeah, we're always working hard to keep it safe. We work very closely with the person on my set who's actually responsible for all of this. Hey, Zach, folks, I'd like to introduce you to my special effects coordinator.